Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this fragrance, Armani Code Absolu, okay? So I really was debating between this one and the Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum, but I got a very big discount on this one, and I bought this one, okay? Also, the store that in the store that I went to buy this fragrance, they didn't sell Dior at all, okay? They sell many fragrances, but the Dior company, they don't sell Dior fragrances, okay? So I bought this one from Armani. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. Armani Code Absolu, written here by Giorgio Armani, of course. Parfum pour homme. Yeah. Let's see what else. It's an eau de parfum concentration, and yeah, I can't see anything else. So yeah, let's open this fragrance. By Armani. Okay. Yeah. So I also smelled the Armani Code Profumo, and it smelled to me. I got really similar vibes to 1 Million from Armani Code Profumo. So I didn't really like this one, the Profumo, and I liked more this one, Armani Code Absolu. So as you can see, this is the bottle. Armani Code Absolu written here, okay? Here is the batch code, okay? The batch code is 38TD00E. Like, I think it's like in the box. Yeah, it's the same. So yeah, this is the batch code, and it is 110 milliliter, okay? Yeah, it's a big bottle, of course. So like you see, it is really nice. The bottle looks really nice. The cap is black, of course, and yeah, it is a good cap here. Yeah. Yeah, I can't smell anything from the cap now, but yeah. So yeah, this is the atomizer. As you can see, it's a bit like gold and stuff. Yeah. So let's spray. Also, the bottle. This bottle is from it is a 2020 batch, I think. Yeah, from what I checked. Yeah, also before I start with the smell, let's talk about the ingredients and all this stuff. So yeah, let's start this from yeah, this fragrance came in 2019, okay? It is really new fragrance, 2019, and the top notes of this fragrance are Green Mandarin and Apple. The middle notes are Nutmeg, Orange Blossom, Carrot Seeds, yeah, and the base notes are Vanilla, Tonka Bean, Suede and Woody Notes. Yeah, this fragrance, I think it is more for a fall and winter, okay? It is not really good for the summer. and yeah, I will have to wait to wear this one for the fall and winter, because it is really sweet. Not overpowering, but it is really sweet, okay? There is a big sweetness in this one. Also, from what I remember, the vanilla and this fragrance is really potent, and yeah, I remember I really liked the smell of this one. So yeah, let's spray, and I'll give you my impression. Okay, one spray. Yeah, it smells amazing. I get like chocolatey, something chocolatey vibes from this one, like the vanilla. I think it is the vanilla, but it is amazing, just amazing. Yeah, I will spray even one more spray. Wait. Yeah, so nothing here for the day, okay? It is more for the night out and all this stuff, clubbing, nights out, yeah, dates, partying, all this stuff. It is amazing. Yeah, I think the vanilla here is the most important ingredient. The most one of the most important notes. Yeah, yeah. So it is not really for the day. It is more for the night out, and all this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, that's all. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support from you guys, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? Take care and bye. Thank you.